Hello again, a new day, a new toy. You know, this is an old computer. It's a COMPAQ, and it's looking like we have a label here, Pentium 3 at 1000 megahertz, 128, that should be the RAM. Anyway, let's take a look. Power supply, it's not so dirty, but dusty.
So all the classic ports are here, parallel. Then we have the VGA out, PS2, of course, 2 USB, I think it's USB 1, probably. And we have 2 serial ports. Why 2? They are important. They've been important, of course.
The audio inputs, and of course a LAN connector. It's heavy, everything it's metal. I may say this kind of real stuff. All right. Let's take a look here. So we have a Windows, what is that? 2000 Professional, okay. And we have an LG, I think this is a DVD or CD writer, 5252, I think it's a CD. And this is a DVD reader, and wow, a floppy disk. What? Let me see. I have a floppy. Huh, yeah. So the floppy, it's looking like working. I mean, it takes the disk. This is a DESKPRO EN. I want to open it up and to take a look inside, and maybe it's still alive. I just got it, so nobody knows anything about this. All I can say that I can hear. You heard that? Oh man. So this is a bad sign. I think we have to take this out. The screw stays here with the top. One. What? Come on. This is metal. It have 1 kilo. Oh man. Look there. This is not good. All right. Okay. What we got here? The old IDE ports. 3 RAM slots. Populated. I don't know what's this one. This should be the AGP slot. Is this a video card? I don't think so. Intel motherboard. What about the processor? I already know it's a Pentium 3. Intel 81 something, 256, 133, 1.75 volts, 1000. So this is 1000 megahertz. Pentium 3 SLS2R. Okay, let's hope it's still working. In the meantime, well, it's pretty dirty. What do you expect? Let me have my vacuum. You see, we have to be gentle with the vacuum. Don't touch with the plastic, the parts on the board, because they are so thin and they can't just jump, Don't scrape the board like that. Use a brush. Now I see there are no IDE cables, but I think I have some in my shelf. I just found it here. It's saying 6th of August 2001. So this computer have around 21 years old. What about this guy? 200 watts maximum. Okay, most of the dust went away. Here is something interesting. You see, that's a switch. That means the computer doesn't work without the top on. But of course we can fake that. Shouldn't be a problem. Now let's clean the... What's wrong with this guy? I think this is the floppy drive cable. Okay, we'll see about that a little bit later. What we got here? Okay, another switch. Well, another switch here for the top. It's amazing. This is interesting. It's looking like a kind of aluminum foil. How can we put these things together? Something missing here. Oh, maybe I don't understand. So where do we have, okay, so I think this is the fan connector. All right, and this should stay like this, maybe. No, like this. No, that's for sure. That's the position here. But we should have some parts. They are missing. Okay, I can see some screws here. They are missing. Huh. Maybe it's still working. Let me clean this guy. Okay, that goes like this. Wow. A little thermal paste. We'll do that properly with a good something if it proves like working, but that should be enough for now. Let's have this back in place. I really don't understand how this guy should stay there. Something missing here. Okay, I'll check the internet about. For now I think we are good to go for a ride. No? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, this guy is back in place. Okay, now it's okay. Well, people, so this should be in this position. How can we put that? But first, I think this is the floppy drive. Where do we have the floppy connector? I think it's this little thing here. Well, I really don't know which end comes to which end. Yeah, floppy connector, it's there. But do we have power? Yes, we have power. This is the power to the floppy. Well, pretty okay here. We have a loudspeaker. It's connected. What else? So that's a problem. Something missing. I don't know what. Some mechanical things to keep this in place. Interesting, but it doesn't really matter. What I want to know now is if the main board is okay. 32 mega. All right, 32. I'm doing this to reset the memories in place. I really don't know what is this about, but it's looking like a extra memory card or something. 4 mega, 133 megahertz. I don't know. Is it a, no, it's not. It can't be a video card. Anyway, it was something here. Card of some sort. Let's power it on. We got power and a very nice red LED blinking. Let me take it this way. And here we go. Red. I'm pushing this guy down. Okay. Same story. What is that means? Yeah. This was made in 4 June 2001. But we have some LEDs here on the board. You see? 2. And this one is hot. Means that it's working. Yeah. Same story. No power. Let's put this on top. Okay, we had a green something for a second. Green turns to red. Maybe it's checking for the display. Let's hook a display. This is the classic VGA display. 2001, evidently no HDMI. Okay, display is on. Let's see. Nothing happens. Green for a second and then nothing. We are on VGA. It says no VGA cable. Power off, power on. Same red stuff. What can be wrong? Everything can be wrong. Of course. Okay, I can see some green light here. So that means the motherboard is working. The chipset is pretty hot. I don't know about the CPU. Oh my, CPU is warm.
Okay, so let's take out that board and some memories boards also. I'm gonna have just a single one, the first slot. Let's see what's happening.
Look there, people. Yes, it's working. This is so funny. System option not set, memory 127 mega, okay. Diskette drive A. It's alive. Oh yeah. Now let's see what's wrong and why it's not starting. What is this? First of all, let me put it back and try to restart the computer. Green turns to red. Doesn't like that. Alright. I don't know what is that. Maybe kind of extra memory or something. We'll see about that later. But for now, let me have the run things back. I got no hard drive, so all I can do is to run a kind of Linux or something else from the one of these DVDs. There we go. Fans are running, and we have VGA output. Can you see that? He's alive. Okay, the real-time clock, pressing F1 will record the following configuration options, automatic the memory. Alright, we have 511 megabytes of memory. Alright, beautiful. So it's looking like the system is working. Let me see if the floppy, is it spinning? No. Oh yes, I can hear it. I don't have a keyboard. I have to go downtown and to buy me a keyboard, or maybe to try to find some from COMPAQ, some PS2. I'm not sure if it's working with USB keyboard, but for now the motherboard it's working, the power supply it's working, the floppy it's working. Let's see. Look at these guys. This is stuck here. Why? Something wrong with? The most important thing are done. As long as the motherboard it's okay. Now I have to see on the internet how is this how is the fan connected and what I'm missing here. Wow. What was just happening? Oh, there's the power supply. Was it? Or no? I think it was the fan. The CPU fan. Oh, this needs to be cleaned too. Strange noise. Very strange noise. That's it for today. I hope it was interesting. So this guy is alive. I'm pretty sure with Intel Pentium 3 at 1 gigahertz it can do a decent job, even for today's standard. But anyway, consider this like a 21-year-old computer. I think this is great. Okay, thank you for that. See you soon, and please like, please subscribe, and of course don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.